So for this problem, clearly we have multiple things happening. We do have parentheses, and what do parentheses mean we're going to do? We're going to use distributive property. We're going to distribute, right? But we also clearly have like terms, because here's a constant, 6, and here's a constant in parentheses here, the -1. So we are going to have two different things to do. The question then becomes, what should be done first? Should we distribute first? Should we combine like terms first? We've actually already answered this question in a previous class. Does anyone remember what I've said about one of these things? Something I've said you should always do first in this case. Yes? The parentheses. What do we do with those parentheses? Distribute. So, we said before we always distribute first. So let's go ahead and move the -2 inside here and distribute it. And it is a -2 when you multiply. So we need to get used to that idea that minus signs are used as negative signs. Plus signs are used to denote that they are positive. The 6 stays where it is. It is not part of the distributive property right now. -2 times 3x is a -6x, so we will write minus 6x. -2 times -1 is a +2, so we will write +2. And it equals 14. Now that we've distributed, we can do the other half of this. We can combine our like terms. Can someone please point out what are the like terms in this case? Raise your name. The 6 and the 2. What are the 6 and the 2? They are both constants. That's the word I was looking for. I heard multiple correct answers, but constants was the word I wanted. Good job. So we are going to go ahead and connect these, or combine them. 6 plus 2. Make sure you're always looking in front of each term. +6 plus 2 to give us 8 minus 6x equals 14. Once again, as we saw on Tuesday, whenever you simplify these things, you combine your like terms, you do the distributive property, it should turn into a two-step equation. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and get rid of our constant first by subtracting 8. Now it's -6x. Please do not forget the negative sign. We haven't done anything with it yet, so it stays there in front of the 6. Equals 14 minus 8 is 6. We will divide to get rid of our coefficient. X equals 6 divided by -6 is -1.